Hi everybody, welcome to RRB JEE Stage 2 Basics of Computers and Applications, Previous Year's Questions with Answers and Explanation, Part 6. Now I'm going for the first question in this video. Question number 51. Class A IP address uses dash bits for the host ID. So here they are asking about the host ID. Okay, in the previous question we saw in some videos before, so they ask for the network ID, but here in this case we have to find the host ID. We have to find. So how we can find the host ID means you can find by using the subnet mask. So the subnet mask is given here. The default subnet mask is given here. For class A, the subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. Class B, the subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. For class C, the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So using the subnet mask, easily you can identify the network part and the host part. Now, so if you take any IP address, either it is a class A or class B or class C, so we are dividing the IP address into two parts. Okay, so the first one is the network part, then the second part is the host part. Now for a class A IP address, the first 8 bits, okay, this 255 says the first 8 bits is the network, then last 3, okay, second octet, third octet and fourth octet. So this is going to be the host part. So for this question, for class A IP address uses dash bits for the host means, so it is going to use 8 plus 8 plus 8. So it is going to be 24 bits. So 24 bits will be used for class A, okay, host ID. So the answer for this question, okay, question number 51, the answer is C, it is 24. Now I'm going for the next question, question number 52. So which of the following is not a web browser? So there is a big list of browsers given here. Okay, you can see from Netscape Navigator to UC browser. There are 12 different browser names given here. Now, so Opera is a browser, NetSurf is a browser, Chrome is a browser, whereas www, okay, World Wide Web is not a browser. So the answer for this question 52 is C, World Wide Web. Now I'm going for the next question, question number 53, printer. So printer is an dash. So there is no doubt at all, printer is a output device. It is going to be output device. It is not an input device. It is not a storage device, and printer cannot be an input or output device. So the answer for this question, okay, question number 53 is, it is output device. Printer is an output device. Now I'm going for the next question, question number 54. So which of the following is not true about EPROM? Okay, so EPROM. So before answering this question, so I want to give some explanations for you regarding what is PROM, what is EPROM, what is EEPROM. So there are 3 things available. You can see this particular chart. Memory we are dividing into 2. So one is the primary and second one is the secondary. For secondary, there are a lot of examples given here. Then if you come to the primary, we are having the ROM and RAM. So RAM, static RAM, dynamic RAM is available. About this we are going to discuss in the later, okay, in the later videos. So if you take ROM, so we have PROM, EPROM and EEPROM. So here I think they are just asking you to find what is EPROM stands for. Okay, so that is the aim of this question, but we will discuss each and everything we are going to discuss here. Now, okay, now I'm going for the first one. What is PROM? So PROM stands for programmable read-only memory. Programmable read-only memory. So this is a memory chip. It is going to be a memory chip. You can program it once, and you can use it, okay, many times. This can be used several times. So a ROM chip, so in which the data or a program will be written in there, and we can use it, okay, for any number of times. So once PROM is programmed, the information returned is permanent and cannot be erased or deleted. So once if you program it, okay, in the particular chip, in the particular ROM chip, if you write something, okay, so then you cannot delete it. So permanent, it is going to be permanent and it cannot be erased. So PROM means programmable read-only memory. So next one is EPROM. So what is EPROM stands for means erasable programmable read-only memory. So this is a type of PROM. Okay, what is a PROM we already discussed, okay, here. Then it retains its data when its power supply is switched off. So that is the nature of the ROM. Even if the power supply is switched off, it is going to retain the data. So there is no problem. It is a non-volatile. So computer memory that can retrieve the stored data after a power supply has been turned off. So this is a non-volatile. Okay, it is going to be a non-volatile one, EPROM. So next one is EEPROM. So electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. So this is also a non-volatile memory. So the content will be retained even if the power is switched off. Used in the computers, integrated in microcontrollers, for smart cards, remote keyless systems and other electronic devices. So this store relatively a small amount of data. Okay, a very small amount of data will be stored in the EEPROM. Okay, allows the individual bytes to be erased and reprogrammed. Okay, reprogrammed. Now, so we'll see the questions now from the top to bottom. The options we will discuss one by one here. So which of the following is not true about EPROM? So we have to find which is not true. So let us find what are the informations true. So it is a read-only memory. Yes, it is correct. Erasable programmable read-only memory. Yes, this is also correct. So it is non-volatile. Yes, it is it is a non-volatile. So this is also correct. Sequential access memory. No. So it is not a sequential access. It is a random access only. So the answer for this question, okay, is D. So which of the following is not true about EPROM? Okay. Now I am going for the next question. Question number 55. So which of the following component of CPU temporarily stores the data for ALU operation? So ALU means arithmetic and logic operations. That means it is doing some addition, subtractions, comparison like that. So for ALU, which of the components of CPU is temporarily stores the data? So you can see that a block diagram is given here. So this is your main memory. So this is going to be your RAM. So the RAM is available here. Okay, so this is the RAM, and we have the central processing unit. So the central processing unit is that means your CPU. So this is going to be your CPU, that means your processor. So here we have the arithmetic and logic unit here and control unit. So whatever the data produced by the ALU, so it will be stored, okay, temporarily it will be stored in the registers. So registers are used, okay, so registers are the component used by the CPU to store the data temporarily. Now you can see the answers here. Which are the following components of CPU temporarily stores the data for ALU operations? Arithmetic and logic unit, no, it is going to do the arithmetic and logic operation. Control unit, it is giving the instructions only. Registers, so registers, okay, we can store the data temporarily. So RAM is also not, okay, suitable here because it is going to be the extra as far as CPU is concerned. Okay, so the answer for this question is C. Okay, that means the registers is the answer for this particular question. Now let me go to the next one. So question number 56. BCD coding scheme uses dash bits to code the decimal digits. So we already discussed about this in the previous videos. BCD, binary coded decimal, it is going to use, okay, only 4 bits. So it is going to use only 4 bits to code the decimal digits, only the 4 bits it is going to use. So the answer for this question is, for 56, is A. So it is going to use only the 4 bits. Then I'm going for the next question, question number 57. So the binary representation of 195.5. So 195.5, this is a decimal number. A decimal number is given to us here. We have to convert this decimal number to binary number. So I'm not converting this 195, okay, .5, but instead of that, the example given is 24.6 is given. So 24 we are taking it as separately, and 6 we have to take it separately. For 0.6, for 24 I'm going to convert into binary. So this is the step. So 11000. So that is a binary value for 24. Now, so 0.6 we are taking it separately, and we have to multiply it by 2. I'm getting 1.2. So 1, okay, it's a carry, I'm taking that. Then 0.2 into 2. So if you continue like that, 10011. So this is going to be the second thing. So the two things we have to concatenate here. So 1100 dot 1011. I think I missed one. I missed a 0 here. Okay. So this is the binary value of 24.6. So this is the method, the technique. You can use the same thing and find the answer for this. But anyway, so I will give the answer for this. So the answer is D. Okay. So D is the answer for this particular question. You can try this. Now I'm going for the next question. Question number question 58. Considering x is a binary variable, the Boolean expression x, okay, dot 1. So here, so we have to follow the Boolean algebra, some properties already given. So using the properties, easily you can solve this. Okay, so you can see this is the identity property. So using the identity property, you can solve it, okay, very easily. So any input, okay, and operation with 1, so it is going to produce the same. So the answer for this particular question, for 58, the answer is, okay, A. So the answer is, sorry, that means here it is X, sorry. So the answer is A is the answer. Now I'm going for the next question, question number 59, finding the 2's complement. So for finding the 2's complement, you have to find the 1's complement first. Okay, any number. I'm not going to solve this problem, but I'm just taking a simple example now to understand. So this is a given binary number. So I want to find the 2's complement for this. First, go for 1's complement. So what is 1's complement means? Just inverse. Okay, that means the opposite of that. So 0, 1 will be converted into 0, 0 will be converted into 1. So and this is 0, 0. So this is 1's complement. Then, so with this you have to add 1. So if you add 1, you will get, okay, 2's complement. So this is the 2's complement for the given binary number. So this is the technique you have to use here. So you can see an example. So we are not solving the problem, but directly I will give the answer for you. You can check it. So for 59, the answer is B. So B is the answer. Okay, I'm going for the next question. So question number 60. A proprietary technology developed by Microsoft that allows embedding and linking to documents and other objects is. So the answer for this question is, okay, it is OLE. Okay, OLE is the answer. Object linking and embedding. So object linking and embedding, it is the answer. So we'll discuss what is OLE, what is DOM, what is modem, what is OpenDOC. So everything we will discuss so that you will understand the things better. Okay, now, so first thing, I'm going for modem. So modem is not the answer, but anyway we should know what is a modem. So modem is a device, a modulator demodulator device. So this device is going to convert the binary analog to digital, digital to analog. Okay, so this is called modulator demodulator, converting the analog signals into the digital signals and digital signals to analog signals. So this will be used in the home for connecting the internet. Okay, so this is the modem. Modem is a hardware device. Okay, next one is DOM. So what is DOM means? This is document object model. DOM means document object model. So this is an application program interface. It is an API for XML and HTML documents. So this defines the logical structure of the documents and the way a document accessed and manipulated. So this is how the HTML documents or the XML documents can be accessed. So this, okay, it is an API, application programming interface. So it is not owned by the Microsoft. So next one is OLE, object linking and embedding. So this is a standard developed by the Microsoft Corporation. So what is the use of this means? It enables you to create the objects with one application and link or embed them in the second application. So you can create something in one application. So this you can connect it or you can link it in another application by using the OLE, object linking and embedding. So this is a Cisco proprietary, Microsoft proprietary. So this concept is developed by the Microsoft. So using one applications, you can develop a small object, anything you can create, okay, like an image or video or audio file. So whatever it is you can create, even a PowerPoint presentation, something like that. So this you can connect or you can link in the another one. In another applications you can connect. So this is the OLE concept. Now the last one is OpenDOC. So what is OpenDOC means? It is a multi-platform software. Okay, it is a framework. This is developed by Apple. Okay, it is developed by Apple. So in order, okay, as an alternative for Microsoft OLE. So it will work as an alternative to the Microsoft OLE, but it is developed by Apple. So the proprietary technology developed by Microsoft that allows embedding and linking to the documents and other objects is OLE. So the answer for this particular question is C is the answer. So with this, okay, so we are completing part 6. We'll continue in part 7. Thank you very much. Keep watching.